Mommy Poppins has partnered with the Seaport to present the Seaport Kids event series. For Pride Month, we created a street art mural making workshop. Artists from Brooklyn-based Graff Tours taught the kids different styles, including tagging and New York-style graffiti. All the kids had a chance to tag their names and then practice with the spray paints. Graff Tours helped turn the kids' children's art into a beautiful Pride-themed murals. Everyone had so much fun collaborating to create beautiful murals at this unique event. They even made a special Mommy Poppins mural. All Seaport Kids events are free. Make sure not to miss the next one. Sign up for our newsletters and follow @MommyPoppins on Instagram and Facebook to find out the best things to do with kids in New York City and everywhere.